Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com coming live with some price action on the binary markets. Currently 9:35 a.m. October 9, 2012, and we're looking at a call option at 24option.com right now. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We just got in our trade at 1.29077. I actually had a chance to get in at 1.2903. I'm looking at a whole number, and I'm looking at a previous support level, as well as support level 3 falling just below where we're at. So we do have a couple things working for us here. It's come back. It's Tuesday. It is not Monday. So yesterday was a day off. I had to take care of some family business, and we're back here for the rest of the week. I'm going to do some good trades, hopefully, and answer your questions and your comments and give the feedback that's required to become a successful binary option trader. So that being said, we're down a couple pips out of the gate. Not always a good thing, but we're okay with it. We do have this whole number playing for us of 1.29. Pretty interesting trading going on today. We were around pivot throughout the night, and then boom, dropped off to support level 2 pretty quickly in a rapid pace, and now it bounced back up a little bit. It's looking at nothing great. I don't necessarily want to be in a call option right now, but because we're not extended through support level 3 yet, I'm okay figuring out whether the price is going to move back up to pivot in the end of the day, or even go further past support level 3. There's a chance that it'll break this whole number and just get back in the 28s again. But until that happens, I am in this trade only down a half a pip. I'm going to pause the video, and when I come back, we'll close this thing out. We do have 7 minutes to go, and once that's done, we'll be live and kicking. So hang on. I'll be right back. We'll go from there. All right, guys, we're back here, and things are looking really good, really good. Currently in 50 seconds to go. Price went against us for a couple minutes there, teetered around our entry, and then it's been taking off ever since. You can see the straight line going up. That's a good several pips in our favor. Currently at 1.29306, nearly 20 pips in our favor. Okay, so we got a nice 20 pip trade here. This was a definite area of support because when you see a 20 pip move in your direction, it's always a good thing. Got to remember, U.S. markets are getting going here after the holiday. 9:30 is the opening on the stock exchange, and that it could affect price action as well. We did like the whole number we were at 1.290 area, plus we had a nice wick a couple hours ago that formed. They gave us even a better fill. So this trade is a winner, and it's not even worth telling you everything because it looks so pretty. But I'm going to break it down and give you the details and show you what I was looking at and what you should look at in the future. Okay, so let's go check out the back, and then we'll check out the chart. Okay, Euro USD entry at 1.29077, close at 1.29294, 370 payout. That's 22 pips almost in our favor. That's 22 pips. Pretty sweet for a binary option trade, that's for sure. All right, let's look at this on a 5-minute chart. And this is the Euro USD 5-minute chart. Here's pivot. Here's that drop off I was talking about. Came through support level 1, pretty much crashed through it. Reversed at support level 2. Came back up to support level 1 as a new resistance. First time touch. Pretty good trade right here. First time touch after the initial hit. Nice little wick here with a bounce. So that's a nice good trade there too. And then we broke through support level 1. Actually took a few times, but once we did, we broke through support level 2, and we formed this wick. So I was looking at this price range here as a good support level, but the better entry was 1.2900. Let's see what price got down to on this particular move here. Yeah, it got right down to the whole number. So we'll zoom in, and here's that whole number move right here, all the way down to 1.290, and look what it did ever since. Just shot right back up above support level 2, and that is what gave us that winner. Although we got in a little bit early on this candle, around this area of the candle, we did see a little bit of pain, but we did have 10 minutes to go, and we also want to make sure we got an entry on this trade, because I was looking back on that previous wick in that previous candle several hours ago that was holding as well. So when you combine a couple things and make them work for you, that's what price action is all about, and that's what we're looking at. So those hold numbers, really like them, especially the first time they're touching in a while. If they've been playing around that area, they're not nearly as strong. But if it hasn't really hit that area in a while, it becomes a strong area of support or resistance. So 1.28 would be the next area of support of a whole number, because 1.29 has now been played out pretty good. Doesn't mean it won't hold again, but it's not going to have the power like it just did 10 minutes ago. So we're going to watch this trade, this currency pair the rest of the day. I don't know if I'm going to trade again. Maybe if it gets back up to pivot, possibly extended support level 3 trade for a call option. But ideally, if it gets back up to pivot, it would make me a little concerned to take a put option, because it's getting some strength and momentum. So be careful with your trading, of course, like I always say, and be smart, make good decisions. Make sure you have a couple things working for you. Don't just trade these lines, although the lines look pretty good. Make sure you have something else working for you at that particular time. And also be careful of slow-moving markets, and you can get faked out as well. So, all right. I hope everyone had a great weekend again, and we're hoping to have a great week this week. And we'll continue to trade at multiple brokers. And I'm getting a lot of questions about chart setup, so I'm really hoping to do a chart video and how I set up my charts and things like that. It's really not that difficult to do I've known MetaTrader for 7-8 years, so I'm used to it. But for those new people that don't know much about it, I can understand where you're coming from. And although you guys ask a lot of questions about it, I'm going to try to put a video together, and then anytime someone asks me in the future, we can all just point them to that video, so we don't have to answer the same question over and over again. All right? And please remember to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, check out the website, make sure you check out the Facebook page. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to help you out where I can. All right, so this is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com, and it's now Tuesday, October 9th. October's flying around the corner, and we'll see how fast it really goes. So have a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow for the trade of the day.